You see them everywhere, right? On menus, posters, bus stops. You point your camera, poof, you're on a website. It feels like a magic trick. But it's not magic. It's actually some really clever, simple engineering. And once you see how it works, you'll realize how brilliant it is. So, how does a little black and white square hold a secret message? Let's break it down. First, think of a QR code as the super-powered cousin of the old, boring barcode you see on a cereal box. That barcode is a one-trick pony. It can only hold about 20 characters, like a product number, and you have to scan it perfectly straight. But a QR code, it can hold thousands of characters, a website address, a Wi-Fi password, even a whole paragraph of text. And the best part? You don't have to scan it perfectly. It works from any angle, even if it's a little dirty or bent. That's the quick response part of the name. So, how does it do this? The secret is in these three bigger squares you always see in the corners. These are the finder patterns. They're like anchor points. Your phone's camera uses them to instantly figure out the size, angle, and orientation of the code. It's like the QR code is saying, "Hey, I'm over here. Here's how you should look at me." Once your phone has its bearings, it creates an invisible grid over the entire thing. Now here's the genius part. Your phone reads this grid, and for each tiny square, it asks one simple question. Is it black or is it white? In computer language, that's a 1 for black or a 0 for white. This whole beautiful mess is just a secret message written in the simplest language possible. Binary. But wait, what if the code gets damaged? What if I spill my coffee on it? Well, this is the coolest part. QR codes are built to be messy. They have a built-in safety feature called error correction. Basically, the code includes backup copies of some of its own information. It's like it has a built-in spell check. So even if up to 30% of it is torn, dirty, or covered, your phone can still piece the message together using the backups. How cool is that? So, to recap, it's not magic. It's a grid of black and white squares that your phone reads like a simple map. The big squares are guides, and the whole thing is so smart, it can even fix itself if it's damaged. The next time you scan one to get a restaurant menu or board a flight, you'll know you're literally reading a secret visual language. If your brain feels a little happier now that it knows this, do us a solid and smash that like button. It really helps us out. Was this cool? What should we explain next? How Google Maps knows there's traffic? Why we blink? Let me know in the comments. If you want more Little Life mysteries solved, subscribe to The Daily Answer. It's free and you'll get smarter every day. Thanks for watching.